Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine and taking good care of yourself. Today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter number 9, Changing Families, means Badalte Parivar. In this chapter, which things we will learn? So, firstly we will learn about what is family, then types of families, what is the difference between the types of families, and things that we learn from families. We get to learn many things from the family like unity, then cooperation and feeling of togetherness. These things we learn from families, and how to respect our elders and how to take care of them who are of our own age and smaller than us. Reasons of changing in families. Why the changes are there in the family? There are many reasons. Due to birth, due to death, and due to marriage, where the members of the families increase or decrease. So that causes changing in families. So let's continue with the chapter. The question is that what is family? So answer, the group of people who live in one house is known as family. So, what is the answer? The group of people who live in one house is known as family. यानी जो लोग एक घर में रहते हैं तो उनसे मिलकर क्या बनता है? परिवार. उसी परिवार कहते हैं. So, another definition: the members who live in one house together forms a family. यानी जो सब एक साथ एक घर में रहते हैं तो उनसे मिलकर वो परिवार बनाते हैं. Now we will learn about who are the members of family. To understand the concept of family, firstly we have to learn about relationship. What are the relations between the members of the family? So here, who are our parents? So father and mother. Okay, they are our parents. Then siblings. Who is known as siblings? So our brother and sister are our siblings. Okay, जो हमारे भाई बहन होते हैं वो हमारे siblings कहलाते हैं. Then grandparents means grandfather and grandmother. Our grandfather and grandmother are our grandparents. Then cousins means children of uncle or aunt. So children of our uncle or aunt are known as our cousins. Then who is our grandfather? Paternal grandfather and maternal grandfather who are related to father. These relatives are known as paternal relatives, and the relatives who are connected with mothers, so they are known as our maternal relatives. So now we will learn about who are our paternal relatives and who are our maternal relatives. So, firstly, paternal grandfather. Who is known as paternal father's father is known as paternal grandfather. Then maternal grandfather. So mother's father is known as maternal grandfather. Means paternal grandfather means dada or maternal grandfather means nana. Okay. Then next one, that is paternal grandmother. So father's mother is known as paternal grandmother means dadi, and next one is maternal grandmother. So mother is known as maternal grandmother means nani. Then uncle. So father or mother's brother is our uncle. Okay, father or mother's brother is called uncle. If father's brother is known as our paternal uncle and मदर्स ब्रदर इज नोन एज अवर मैटरनल अंकल मीन्स मामा. फादर के ब्रदर को हम क्या बोलते हैं? काका या चाचा. और मदर के ब्रदर को क्या बोलते हैं हम? मामा. देन आंट. सो फादर और मदर्स sister is called aunt. So father sister is known as paternal aunt means foy, and mother sister is known as maternal aunt means masi. So in this way relations are formed in the family. The next topic is types of families. There are two types of family. One is joint family, that is also known as big family, and second one is nuclear family, that is known as small family. What is joint family? The family in which grandparents, parents, uncle, aunt and their children live together. So that is known as joint family. And in small family where parents and their children live together makes a nuclear family or small family. Now we will learn about what is the difference between joint family and nuclear family. So joint family means the family in which grandparents, parents, uncle, aunt, brothers, sisters and cousins live together is known as joint family. Whereas the family in which only parents and one or two children live together is called nuclear family. Means the family in which grandparents, parents, uncle and aunt, brothers, sisters and cousins live together is known as joint family, whereas the family in which only parents and one or two children live together is called nuclear family. Means ऐसे परिवार जहाँ पर दादा दादी, मम्मी पापा, चाचा चाची और उनके बच्चे एक साथ रहते हैं उसे हम क्या कहते हैं, जॉइंट फैमिली मीन्स संयुक्त परिवार। और जिन फैमिलीज में जहाँ जिन परिवारों में सिर्फ मम्मी पापा और उनके एक या दो बच्चे होते हैं तो ऐसे परिवार को न्यूक्लियर फैमिली कहते हैं, मीन्स विभक्त परिवार। सेकंड पॉइंट, देयर इज नो टेंशन of work in joint family. There is no tension of work in a joint family. Whereas workload and tension increase in a न्यूक्लियर फैमिली। जॉइंट फैमिली में काम का कोई भी तनाव नहीं होता है, जबकि न्यूक्लियर फैमिली में वर्कलोड यानी काम का तनाव और काम का भार रहता है लोगों पर। सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन जॉइंट फैमिली एंड न्यूक्लियर फैमिली। आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड what I told you in this video about the family, about the kind of family and about the difference between joint family and nuclear family. Remaining part of this chapter we will learn in next video. I will share PDF of this chapter in our WhatsApp group and we will meet soon in our online session to solve your doubts and queries. Thank you and have a nice day.